welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is on this again. She said this is the very last time that she is sending a message to the landlord, Erica, as she said that it makes no sense that she is, going back and forth with someone that is not on her level. And so this is the message from Marcia. So, guys, go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and as I post, you will know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrated their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday, and I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, or whatever it is that you are to me, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. And now, sometimes we have to go to the or breaking point and just stop, right? Sometimes we have to ensure that we're not following up the same situation or the same thing, the same argument over and over again. But there must be an end to some stuff. So, guys, go and catch a video and have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day because you deserve to. And just relax if you can and enjoy your beautiful day. Work on you, work on yourself, focus on you, and get better. Get things that you deserve and that you want to achieve. Have yourselves a beautiful day.
Thing that when me hear so many attack on him page, she get contents. And me realize when she's talking, she get mad on her audience them. If them not like her share because you talking about me and she barely getting the likes and comments. And I come to a conclusion, the woman is obsessed with me. For somebody to spend them dearly every day and just analyze your video and come up with her own. First of all, she walk and tell people, say, man run me out a restaurant. Me can't go right to the restaurant now. No man run me out in a restaurant. Nobody run me out in a restaurant in America. All the gentlemen say me must take time and talk because because me have a little girl sitting right in front of me. Me not even realize the one little girl in come. He said be careful with the bad words because there's a little girl in front of me. That's all the man said. Me say, okay. First of all, me they already done pack my food and ready to leave. Me was just killing time. The woman dep on our page. I tell people, say, man, run me to a restaurant. Nobody can run me out of no fucking restaurant America. Because I do nothing if you run me out. All the man tell me, say, be careful of the bad words. There's a little girl. I swear to God, and that's what the man come to me and said to me. Be careful of the bad word. Because there's a little girl sitting in front of you. And first of all, which part me sit, everybody they gone. I not even realize say one next couple. Right which part me there, when you hear me talk, there was nobody on the side of the restaurant there. There was a Spanish couple that was sitting beside me, them done eat and gone. And then one little girl coming in her mother. And threw me up on my phone, me not even realize they were sitting down. Plus me I talk Jamaican language. Me no expect them say, understand me. But when he was passing, and he hear when me say motherfucker. So that's when he said, be careful of the word of the language because there's a little girl right there. That's what the man said to me. How the hell no man run me out a restaurant? And that's what the man said to me. Me already done pack and ready for left, you know. If you watch the video, you know, me done name long time, you know. I relax, you know. Eh? Me sit down in my car, the woman I say me sit down in my car. And if me have if me never sleep in my car, me say, guys, me have something to do. Me will soon tomorrow. Eh? So you tell me no. So me make you know. Me make you know clearly. Me not afraid of her. Me not afraid of her. But me can't continue to argue with this woman here. Me not afraid of her. It is pointless for a woman like me, where people look up to, when me have, when me I enjoy my life, and that poor woman, that poor ugly woman, sit down on social media, we don't even have benefit coming fair away and I know farm, not even medical insurance is a woman I don't have. She have to pay her cash money for a doctor. And me living in the United States when me work in this country, paying taxes for over 30 odd years. Me a 1199 union member. Have me things them put on, and me must continue and live the way me live, and me must continue to argue with a fucking ugly bitch like that from Jamaica, an underprivileged pussy hole like that drunk woman. Me must continue to raise up my blood pressure upon a cranny, stinking, done-out pussy hole woman like that. Eh? Look upon a cranny, blood clot, dirty bitch like that. Eh? Look on a Satan, blood clot, mad sick head, no blood clot, corruption woman like that. Can't walk in my shoes no time at all. Eh? You did your talk, you did your talk about my son a thief. Me rather my son be a thief than have a big fat sour ugly blood clot daughter like yours. So we can't barely walk. You dirty stinking pussy hole. And last time I can answer you. You dark shit. No blood clot, dirty stinking Congo hole, blood clot, dead hole, pussy hole, woman like you can't not supposed to come on social media, can call me name none at all. Go suck your dirty ass man them and go look for the dick them where you kill off. You can't chat nobody, you can't debate about nobody. You dirty pussy clot sit down at Jamaica every fucking day with your little stinking pussy in your one piece of jean shorts and marina. Where you need some blood clot clothes to put on. And you come America step style with blood clot, ever bless Marcia? Are you fucking crazy, bitch? And the last time I could argue with you. Eh? You don't even look like a blood clot human being. Eh? You look like a something we dig up on the blood clot cemetery. You don't see your fucking dead already. Look at your skin. You look like blood clot Congo Roman name, your bitch. You can't talk to nobody. And the last time I could for you, know. It is pointless for me to argue with you. Slut. Eh? You a fuck from your 9-year-old. And me start fuck from in my 1920s. Because the way me grew up. And you can't come chat to me about my pussy. And for your pussy done from your 9. From your 9, man, I fuck you left, right, and center, your face, your body, your nose hole, every blood clot hole. And nutmeg, you have up under your pussy right now making a walk and smell. Nutmeg, you push up under that blood clot and white rum. Eh? You can't compare yourself to my pussy, bitch, when you are fuck from your 9. I may grew up in a very good religious home. You can't talk to me about pussy. Congo hole. Pussy woman. You're bright out of order. Eh? You can't come compare your pussy with me and you are fuck from your 9? Are you fucking crazy? Go sit your blood clot down, old serpent. You can't chat to me. Come off from me and go on your ways. You stinking old blood clot, dirty pussy, old whoring woman. You know, say you're garbage. Look how you look. You stink no blood clot. Every time you look on Facebook, you just stink up a fucking place. You fucking old ugly blood clot demon. You can't chat nobody. Eh? You look like a blood clot Riverton dumpster. Who gives a fuck about your ugly piece of blood clot house where you can't maintain? If you don't come on social media and call my name and call Tina Chin name or call Laurie and then name other people name on social media and Michelle them name, you can't make no fucking money. Go sit down your blood clot dunce. You can't talk about nobody. You can't talk about nobody. You can't even spell blood clot house much less. But you talk about house. Who give a fuck on your piece of house at Jamaica? Anybody give a fuck about your house? That a house to look on? Eh? That look like a blood clot homeless shelter. Go pick up your blood clot man them up a Portland and care come in there. That a house? You fucking need furniture. A homeless house that. That's supposed to turn into a infirmities. Are them start to sit there. and homeless shelter. Go turn that blood clot in a homeless shelter because that ain't house. Go creep up a blood clot people in Portland and can't give them a room. And you go sleep in a blood clot is a whole shed out the door. You dirty, stinking, pussy old woman. You can't chat nobody. You can't talk to me. No fuck your bright. No fuck yourself with me. Me dey on social media how much years now and nobody never take liberty with me. And where you come from? From me come on social media and people say me my life never change. Go sit your dirty blood clot down, your nasty pussy old woman. You see anything change about me? How would this a cranny woman that come from, do I? How would this a piece of dark shit come from? How where you come from? How would this a blood clot demon that come text it for me? For you have to go back to Peterville and come out for me. Go on about your blood clot business. Because I'm not going to argue with you. Because I stoop too low. How would this a blood clot whole serpent that come from? No, man. But look, but this pussy clot, dirty blood clot, dirty woman. Come on social media. All these years you people see me. Una never see me change. Una never see me out of shape. Una never see me drop. Not at all. No matter what them do me. Me still go out my business. Me still a drive. Me still a near. Me still a do me have to do. The only thing is me traveling cut down. That's the only thing. The woman walk and watch me life. Eh? Will you walk and watch me for? Galang out of Portland go sell your crotch. Where you can't get out of it. You must can get $2 per hour. You must have one $500 bill. Me know nobody now carry gun hotel. Just carry go in one shop car and put one blood clot crocus bag over there and fuck your back with you. Not even look for you because you're a blood clot demon. Go sell your pussy if you want to live life. Go into the bank account, go put down the money where you have for rainy day, where you rob from social media, and go out. Me say sorry, say Barrel never fuck up your blood clot house and drop 2 pussy clot tree limb panny. You have one blood clot sepulchre already upstairs. Go lie down in that pussy clot and go put piece of arm and cross and make somebody juke one blood clot cross in the heart. And send your blood clot go rest in a hell until when God ready for doom you into the bottomless pit. Move your dirty pussy clot, you ugly bitch. You can't chat nobody. Me not going to argue with you no time. Keep on playing my video them. I make my blood clot there. Bitch. Me a star. You affair me. Me feed you. You dirty bumbo clot. Without me, your blood clot bill can't pay. You can't pay light bill and you can't pay your insurance, your car. And you can't blood clot name. See your bill, you can't name there, pay blood clot, your name, you pitting them every day. Pay blood clot, dirty crab, your name. And tin mackerel. You know, see my food, them my name. Your whole serpent. But you boast about to say me lose job. But any job me dep on you call police. Your wish. Your blood clot dirty salt hole. Corn hole pussy. Where Congo worm a drop out of. Stop walking on social media and drop the Congo worm and have a place. Go and salt your pussy with some big grain salt. And some G's and stuff up some blood clot cotton. And not negging at that pussy clot. Can you know say you're all dead. Alive whole Marcia, you want to come where you want to come chat to move your dirty pussy clot from you, you bitch. With your can hole. You can't chat nobody. Go see a blood clot psychiatrist, bitch. You can't chat to me. Go see a psychiatrist. I am not your psychiatrist. Go find Portland Hospital and make them give you some blood clot Rexanol. Coupon you. You look like a them blood clot mangy dog. Coupon you. Woman, if me have no period I come within my pad, I just little bit me I get that nowadays. You want somebody take it and stuff it up in your blood clot mouth. But it's not enough. You should have troubled me when I was in my blood clot 20. Me just save them the blood clot bleeding for you. And stuff it in your blood clot nose hole of your mouth. But now I'll just a little bit of come. You should have catch me in my 1920s up in my 30s up and close my 40. Make you come suck me out. You dirty pussy hole you. You old dog, mongrel dog. Look how you look like a mongrel dog. You and the pussy clot dog, them look just like when you're yard. Fucking mongrel bitch. You can't chat nobody. You can't call people name a little better than you. Every fucking day, the Pantina, Michelle, and this and that. You can't chat people. You can't even mind your blood clot self. You fuck out the whole of Jamaica and Europe and you come back with nothing. Nothing for show me a fucking piece of old ugly house. Eh? Who are you? Do you know who you are? You fucking piece of old demon. Nobody afraid of you? I'm gonna argue with you after this. Go get a life, bitch. Cause I'm sure of one. Ain't a shine for me. Light a shine for me every day. Me smell good and me look good. You don't look good and you don't smell good. You look dirty. You look like you know fucking beard. Or get some good lotion. You live at Jamaica, you live at seaside. Go get kind of fucking soap. Now that Jamaica, if you scrub the piece of mongrel skin we have. You need some Scotch Brite and go down on the sea bed. Go roll in that blood clot for about 6 hours. And scrub your dirty skin. I go chuck off your blood clot upper way. And with the the acid water upper linseed way. And that if you go do. You need for rebirth. That's why your mama reject. You know, so see your blood clot curse. You're nobody. Anybody will have mother. And you left your mother have a 6-bedroom or say your mother live in a piece of shack. You know, so see your blood clot doom. Satan move your pussy clot from your dirty mongrel woman. You can't chat nobody, analyze nobody. You ever set foot a blood clot America yet, bitch? One piece of country you go and them reject you. Them smell your pussy up at the European country. Them deport your blood clot back to Jamaica. Where you come from. You could even stay there. You have to run well if your blood clot pitney them. You can't talk about nobody, pitney. Look how for your one big and blood clot sour. One of fucking foot then look like an elephant. Eh? You can't talk about nobody. Eh? You can't talk about nobody, pitney. Eh? You can't talk about nobody, pitney, your teeth. When your whole life your teeth dick and your teeth pussy, and you depend on social media for the past 4 years scam people, you are one of the biggest blood clot thief boy on social media. You is one of the most biggest thief. If my son a walk a thief people, you scam people, you're a fucking thief. Yeah, thief people charity money with them saying come give you feed the homeless. Nobody never send money come give my son yet. So what the most biggest thief if my son a thief? You are the biggest thief. You know, see your doom. You can't talk about nothing. You're wearing drunker. I give white man jacket. Eh? Black pitney and man a white. Look for you. From me see I show picture back in the days, me see you now a shots. You never turn good yet. You look like somebody have all the blood clot herpes and syphilis in your pussy. And your skin. You know see you're full of disease. Drunk or dark shit pussy old woman. You see you're full of disease. Look at you. You're cranny. You know say if you smoke cigarette. I'm not a smoker. Me not smoke never in my life. You know say your blood clot or you have to smoke a bun cigarette every second. You know see your teeth them blood clot cranny. Your mouth think every second. Eh? Every second you have to puff cigarette. You're so fucking ugly you can't even stay in the camera not even 2 seconds. Do a 6-hour live video sit down in the camera. You can't do it. You can't do it. You can't even look in the camera good if you go hide in a corner. You're drug addict. Because you take blood clot crack in the corner. You smoke more than cigarette. A crack your blood clot take. That's why you look so. Your sick stomach. I mean, I keep on arguing with you last time I can argue with you out here. You're sick stomach. You make me spirit cross. I mean, if I just not look upon you. You're sick blood clot stomach, bitch. You're one of the ugliest blood clot woman on social media to Jamaica. If you come show